fly two of you, link up with Frenchie.
Turn me up, 5.
I talked to bro, he said looking bad for him. This a new number, they tapped the last phones. Last time I talked to Freddie, he said he was looking for Queen, but me not knowing the next shot is all he had for him. I talked to Trisha, say Plank needed lawyers. This is lady floor I slept on, so she know I'm on it. He roll around, he keep this shit in orders. Miss Aisha still call like who killed my little boy. It's like I be crying every time I talk to Cuz. Like, only thing I can think about last time me seeing him, like, he killed Cuz, so that's the only thing replaying my mind, but I be trying to shake it though.
The yay back in the Fed, 5K the iPhone him. Tell a nigga to know a couple times, they get the plotting on you. Wish I would've picked up fella marks when he was calling me. On the road to rich, I tried to wait, but you was stalling me. Trying to shake the devil, when I left, he keep following me. If I miss the free throw, I'm probably going to jail. If I miss the free throw, I'm probably going to hell. Break it, caught with that switch, you probably going to tell. Since Joe got picked up by that officer, I'm sorry that we don't talk that much. I just wanted to be like Big Chop, MC and Kalo. I'm finessing nigga for guns, acting like we throw a Draco. Niggas ain't following you, bro, you just in their way though. Like you worrying about me following you, I was just with you the other day though. But you know what it is with us, you just want them to know what it is with us. Is what it is with us, ain't something that they know. I was trying to show love, them niggas pick money over loyalty. How you let that buy you? BP Escalade, cause more you bulletproof the tires. Lana had a stroke in front of my sister, he couldn't talk from it. Nigga shot my dog, think God he can die, he just walk funny.
Gave my nigga 150, he can't even talk from it. Message to the other side, you bitch know I ain't going. And I feel it in the air when they took my TT. And where I'm from, if they can't get a whistle, they hit your TT. Bro, don't say keep going, my nigga coming home. Never mind, I searched the name, say 2043. I was 100 deep coming in this rap shit. Now when I look up, it's just 6 smackers around me. I can feel it, I can feel it, I can feel it. I can feel it, I can feel it, I can feel it. Took a pistol, auto washed my back, they knocked him off. His daddy think I'm playing parts in it. I gave CB $10 before he died. Went up the street, it was rapping 5, but the nigga died who played parts in it. Rest in peace. I can feel it, I can feel it, I can feel it. I can feel it, I can feel it, I can feel it. I can feel it.
At the gambling house where Lil Bill got wet. When lids closed, the brother them still got hats. My nigga mama don't answer the phone, she said we reading that he dead. I'm trying to see what make her feel like that. She got me fucked up when my day one nigga took the stand up. Like bro, you told you gotta own that shit. I ain't gon' front like I don't love you. You be asking me for money, but I can't, so I don't condone that shit. With speed, like the back street, behind me. Like you ski mask, put it down, cause you behind me. Don't street no dog hole like she a top tier dime piece. I be solo, I need perks and designy. You remember, I used to fuck at your auntie. Sitting in the janky to scratch your name off a accordion. Catching felonies on probation. They signed up, we on the same team. So why you hating off the lineup?
বৃষ্টি ঝরে যায় তুমি জানালায় একা বসে ভাবছো আমায় পাশে তাই অশ্রু তোমার যেন ঝরে যায়, বৃষ্টি ঝরে যায়। তুমি জানালায় একা বসে ভাবছো আমায়, আমি নাই পাশে তাই অশ্রু তোমার যেন ঝরে যায়। আকাশের ওই প্রান্তে চাঁদ জেগে রয়, তোমার ডাক শুনে সে আমায় বলে যায়। আকাশের ওই প্রান্তে চাঁদ জেগে রয়, তোমার ডাক শুনে সে আমায় বলে যায়। জানিয়া তুমি নাই আসবে না ফিরে আবার। স্বপ্নে বাসরেতে বধূ সেজে রও, ক্ষণিকে আবেগে আমায় জড়িয়ে রও। স্বপ্নে বাসরেতে বধূ সেজে রও, ক্ষণিকে আবেগে আমায় জড়িয়ে রও। জানিয়া তুমি নাই আসবে না ফিরে আবার। বৃষ্টি ঝরে যায়, তুমি জানালায় একা বসে ভাবছো আমায়, আমি নাই পাশে তাই অশ্রু তোমার যেন ঝরে যায়, বৃষ্টি ঝরে যায়। তুমি জানালায় একা বসে ভাবছো আমায়, আমি নাই পাশে তাই অশ্রু তোমার